But you go and sit down and put another nigga names in your mouth. But you a real nigga. I bet when he go live, he gonna turn around and say he a real, I'm a real nigga. Oh, this is real. But got right on Say Cheese and talked about it, nigga. Y'all ain't heard me say shit else about this shit. Ain't nobody heard me say shit else about this shit. He want to get right on Say Cheese. Hey, man, so what's up with Finesse? Then hit ding-a-ling head ass. Hey, man, you ain't gonna never do nothing with Finesse 2 times. Jungle Juice bottle head ass nigga. You ain't gonna never do the oil shane can head ass nigga. You ain't gonna never do nothing else with Finesse 2 times. Oh, never. Y'all never see that. Y'all never see that. Ooh. Come on, ain't even no bloodshed. Ain't even nothing serious going on. You talking about nigga ain't never see that. And the killing part about it, nigga, they want me to work with you. I don't want to work with you. I want some money to work with you. You can't help me. I can help you. I want some money. You can't help me, fool.